More examples of probability 1. Let us look some more examples. Example, a dice is thrown. 1. Note the set of the experiment. Solution. Set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of S is equal to 6. 2. Find the probability of getting a number greater than 4. E is equal to events of getting number greater than 4 is equal to 5, 6. N of S is equal to 6. P of greater than 4 is equal to probability of getting a number greater than 4 is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. 3. Find the probability of getting a prime number. E is equal to event of getting a prime number is equal to 2, 3, 5. N of E is equal to 3. P of prime number is equal to probability of prime number is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Example, cards marked with the numbers 2 to 101 are mixed thoroughly and kept in a box. One card is drawn. Find the probability that the number of the card is 1. An even number, 2. A number less than 14, 3. A number which is a perfect square, 4. A prime number which is less than 20. Solution. From 2 to 101, there are 101 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 100 numbers. Total number of possible outcomes is equal to 100. 1. From 2 to 101, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to 100, which are total 50 in number. So, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 50. P of even number is equal to, on dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes is equal to 50 by 100 is equal to 1 by 2. 2. Numbers less than 14. From 2 to 101, the numbers less than 14 are 2, 3, 4 till 13, which are total 12 in number. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 12. P, numbers less than 14 is equal to 12 by 100 is equal to 3 by 25. 3. From 2 to 101, the perfect squares are 4, 9, 16 till 100, which are total 9 in number. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 9. P of perfect square is equal to 9 by 100. 4. From 2 to 101, the prime numbers which are less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, which are total 8 in number. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 8. P of prime number is equal to 8 by 100 is equal to 2 by 25.